Right here in the pile.
Yeah.
Oh, sparklers are so fun.
Grab another one, bud.
That really
Can I
hurts
snap
so
this
bad.
one?
I'll be recording some video.
Watch the dog, Nick.
Coley, look at me.
There's a pile right here.
Can I drop it?
No, wait till it goes out. He's like, no, don't put it. Yeah, put it on. Yeah, right.
Stop, please! Stop, please!
Oh, it's actually coming from here.
No, I just scared. Oh!
I'm sure there's some kind of larva. Come on, Kate.
No, it's
I'm gonna make you on fire!
Stop,
Cole,
Cole!
put it right here. No, Cole, put it right here, buddy. The one that's burnt right there in the pile.